welcome back to my kitchen. I'll be teaching you all how I made my meat pie. This is my 300 gram of all-purpose flour, then my 100 gram of melted butter I add to it, my teaspoon of salt, then a half teaspoon of baking powder, a pinch of nutmeg, and 1 egg. I break into it right now. Added my egg, so I mix together with my clean hands. After a while, gradually I add water until I get my dough. So I can't tell the amount of water, so I add gradually. So want to add milk, you can add. Here is my milk, so I add little to it, liquid milk. Then you continue to mix. My dough just got in the dough right now, so I'll keep it in the fridge for about 30 minutes. Then I go on with my filling preparation. Ingredients for the filling: minced meat, diced onions and Irish potatoes, then thyme and curry. I just added little oil into the pot, so I'll be adding my rice ingredients to my meat. Then I add a little blended pepper, I stir, then I leave on a low flame of fire until it gets done. Pie filling is ready right now, so I off my gas, set aside for it to get cold before I continue. I'm making it without oven. This is the pot right here I'm going to use in baking it, so I'll be on the gas to preheat it before I finish my meat pie. Here is my dough. I just cut them into two, so I'll be rolling out and cutting into shapes. So I'm cutting them this shape. So I'll be putting them in the pot. Just arrange them in the pot now, so I cover and leave it to be baked for about 40 to 50 minutes. Wow, my meat pie is ready right now. Wow.